Hi and welcome to my Take 3. Today we're going to be looking at replacing the brake lever on the R3. So my OEM brake lever is bent because my bike got stolen a month ago. Yeah, that's British Israel. So we're going to be replacing it with the Bad Dog brake lever. So this is specific to the 2015 to 2022 R3. However, if you are looking to get your own brake lever, just make sure it's compatible with your R3, depending on what year it is. So for this, you will need a 10mm socket that looks like this, and this will be used to undo the top screw, which is the pivot screw, and the bottom nut, which is called the lock nut. So let's get to it now and get to changing to the new lever. So we're going to start off by undoing the lock nut here. And then we're going to be taking off the top pivot screw here next. So once that's off, you can then just pull the lever off, and that's the OEM lever off. So you need to make sure that the flat side on the new lever connects to the brake switch. So when you connect this, make sure everything is lined up. This has to go here. So make sure that it's all lined up perfectly. And once you're happy with the alignment, you just have to pop the screw back in and tighten that up. And then get your 10mm socket to properly put that in place. So when you tighten the pivot screw up, make sure that the brake lever has a little bit of give. You don't want these two bits pinching here. That will obviously inhibit the movement of the brake lever. So the next thing we're going to do is we're just going to tighten up the lock nut here. Again, with the lock nut, you don't want to do it too tight because, again, you don't want to inhibit the movement of the brake lever. So once you're done, just make sure everything's in line, so that flat side, like I said, was connecting with the brake switch, and you've got that little bit pinching in here. I don't know the term for that, but if you do know, please leave a comment down below. And then I'm just going to tighten this a little bit just to make sure that it is firm enough, not too firm, and seems to be good. So what I like to do once that's all done is get on the bike, put it up straight, and then just check that the brake is actually working, which it is. Just rock it back and forth, pull the brake lever in and out, and then obviously once you're done, you can adjust the brake to whatever position you want. If you want it closer, or number 6 if you want it further away. So whatever's your preference. I probably like to have it around a 3, and then that's it. That's basically it. So that is how you change the brake lever on an R3. If you have any questions or any comments, please leave them in the comments down below. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.